Hey there, it's Chelsea and welcome back to my channel. Today is my third day here in Azerbaijan and I will be having a tour today. But before that, let's head down for the breakfast and the PCR test. It will be taken this morning before I proceed with the tour. So come and let's eat! So right now, I'm here in my room and I will be heading down now for the tour. But before that, let's have a quick OOTD. So I'm wearing a coat and a top, brown top, skirt, leggings, boots, and also I bring hat and scarf and gloves in case it will be so cold today. So let's go!
Century, 12th century, people didn't have cement. Yeah. So instead, Gönderdi ben yazdım her şeyi. Bu özlerin baksınlar. Yeah, you can go now.
I can go?
Yeah. Now Chelsea isn't scared.
I've reached my hotel. Today's tour is more on the nature side, wherein we went to the mountains to experience the snow, and we were supposed to do the cable car ride, but unfortunately they are not operating on the weekdays, so we went to the Lahik village and explored that one. And after that, we went to a park wherein we did the horseback riding and have some autumn vibes while having our lunch. And after that, we went also to a lake wherein we did some boat riding. And lastly, we went also to the waterfalls. Today's tour is tiring, but it's definitely worth it. So it's been a long day, so I will just do some packing because I will be leaving Azerbaijan by tomorrow and get some rest. So good night everyone, and thank you for joining me for today's tour. So see you on my next video. Bye!